Hey guys, George from SME here, and today I'm going to show you how you can use AnalyticsGate to bring your Qlik Sense application data into Microsoft Excel and quickly build out reports using the templates feature. And the best part is, we're not even going to go into Qlik Sense, we're doing this all in Microsoft Excel. So, how do we do that? Well, using our AnalyticsGate add-on, I can sign into my Qlik Sense hub, and then when I click on the hub icon, it's going to bring back all of the different apps that I have. Looks pretty familiar, right? It's just like our Qlik Sense hub. So, after you connect to a specific application, it's going to load that data into Microsoft Excel. Now, there's a bunch of different ways that I can go about building a report. I can obviously do it manually. I can take a Microsoft Excel template, open it, paste it, and then do a bunch of different calculations and whatnot. But with AnalyticsGate, you have the ability to import Excel templates directly into Qlik Sense apps. So when I hit Open Templates, here's all the different Excel templates that I have right here inside of my app. And when I hit Open, what it's going to do is it's going to create a new Microsoft Excel window with this report. And you can see here that we don't have anything going on in here because we need to rebuild that connection. But you can see in the formula bar that we're actually using set analysis that's referencing cells inside of Microsoft Excel. That's pretty powerful. So I'm going to go ahead and sign back in. I'll select the sales app. And just like that, we've built out a report using template. So what do you guys think? I think that's pretty cool. The fact that you're able to do all of this inside of Excel, not having to go back and forth between Qlik Sense, is really a great time saver. So if you guys want to learn more about AnalyticsGate and how you can report your Qlik Sense data, feel free to reach out to us in the comments below or at info@smesgroup.com. Bye guys.